Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gretcher. Where's my little sister Greidys? And you're wondering where we are. We're at the mall today, and we're gonna be going to Build-A-Bear. And we never went there for 18 years, I think. I have no idea, but we're gonna go finally. And I don't know if I showed you my necklace. It starts with G, with flowers, and we got the same thing. So, let's go! Guys, it better not be closed. This one, because this is where I'm going to be in my Halloween party. And I got the perfect clothes for this one. I got this Build-A-Bear. So now we're going to shove it up and give it a heart. I have people seen get Build-A-Bear, so we're going to flip it up and buy some clothes. So let's get started. Blanket half her. Don't want it. I'm on.
So if you want to give each of your animals a hug, you can try them out and see how they feel. Go ahead and give them a hug. And you're going to take that little heart and you're going to warm the heart up in your hands. And you're going to squeeze the heart real tight and make a special wish for your new furry friend. When you're done making the wish, you're going to put it in the hole that's in the back of your animal. In between the little strips. Perfect. And I will sew them up for you. Now, are we adding any smells or heartbeats in them today?
So guys, I'm going to try this on because it does not look like it's the size of it. So yours is that. And I have two options. I ain't choosing a lot. The mermaid did not fit her, of course. You have to get like a mermaid. So I'm just looking for other options. Look at that. Oh, these are pretty good. Guys, this one has a long wing. That's cute. Bucket boot. Bucket boot. So guys, we got our builder thought it was her. Let's get this tag out. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my bag. So guys, I hope you have fun with us. And like and subscribe if you have been a buildabear. And comment down below and show me your teddy bear. So, bye. Bye. So guys, we already finished the teddy bear. I can show you mine. It's fully closed. And since it was so much hot, we are at the restaurant. And another sister. And here is my darling. Hey, May. And guess what? I think you haven't seen my sister was clothes. So here's my sister's. Wait, her part fell out. So I'm just going to try and guys, I'm going to tell you who's coming here. My grandma and my grandpa and Yuan. And here's her. And with the rolls. You're wondering how can the rolls stick? It's just there's like a little thingy. And then you stick it in and it looks like that's just what it is. And this is what my sister said. This is what China does when they're married. Well, some people does that here, I think. So this is hers. And here's mine. I like it. And guess what? In the car, she said to switch clothes for just a hanger.